Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil Requiem and you keep getting this error, fatal D3D error, out of memory, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Resident Evil Requiem easily. So I'll show you three solutions of how you can fix this error. The first solution is the easiest one. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Resident Evil Requiem and you're going to make sure that you turn off all the graphics settings to low. So either set the settings to minimal or the lowest that you can. And now for the second solution, you're going to go ahead and update your graphic cards drivers. So I'll show you Intel first and then I'll show you AMD and Nvidia. You're going to go on to intel.com. You're going to click on to support here and then you're going to click on to download center. Click graphics and then you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc B580. You're going to download the latest drivers and install it. Now I'll show you AMD. Go on to amd.com, click resources and support and then drivers. Scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then select your graphics card. Click submit, click your operating system and download the latest drivers. Now I'll show you Nvidia. Go on to nvidia.com, click drivers, fill in this manual driver search form. Afterwards, select your operating system and then click find here. Wait for it to find the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done finding the driver, you're going to go ahead and download and install it. Once it's done installing, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here advanced system settings. You're going to go into it, click on to advanced and then go into settings. Go into advanced again, click change here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to untick automatically manage paging file size and now whatever disk you have the game on. So if you have the game on your C drive, just click on to C and then click custom size. If you have it on D or E, you're going to do it for that. So just select your disk, click custom size. And here you're going to put in how much gigabytes of RAM you have. So for example, if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, you're going to multiply 16 by 1024 and then you're going to put in this value here, 16384. Now what you're going to do is you're going to multiply this initial size 4 times. So this is the value. You're going to put in this value here, 65536. After that, click OK and then click OK again. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play the game, you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.